How we doing, everyone? We are back again. This time, we only got one ticket here. We got one of the 230 million cash explosion $20 ticket from the Arizona Lottery. Now, the reason we only have one is we went in to buy two, and this is the very last ticket of the pack, so we took what we could get. Alright guys, if you have not seen me do these before, the overall odds here are going to be 1 in 3.09, and the prizes range from $20 up to that top prize of $2.5 million. Alright, let's turn this over, see if we can beat the odds today. This one here, if we reveal that money bag symbol there, we can win $100 instantly. Other than that, we're looking for that 20x symbol to win 20 times our prize, and if we hit that, we are hoping it is not the Arizona Lottery special with the $1. Alright guys, this is ticket 29 here. Let's get into it, get scratching, get some wins. Winning numbers here, we're looking for 47, 16, 9, 48, 37, 25, and 24. Let's start out with a 27, 28, 35, 18, 38. Next row, got 32, 33, 8, 15, 14, 5, 43, 45, 41, 11. Nothing yet. 2, 4, 12. There's my lucky 44. Not on this one. 36. Let's see. Last row here. Can we pull something off? 49. 34. 46. 19. 1. Alright guys, we tried. We could not beat the odds today. As always, if you would, consider hitting that subscribe button, give this one a thumbs up, and we will see you on the next one.